Assalamu alaikum, student of class 4. How are you? I'm fine by the grace of Allah. I think you are fine at home. Student, welcome to our online based class. Today I have decided to take the class on chapter 3, Ethnic Groups of Bangladesh. So student of class 4, take your teaching material at your hand and sit a specific place in your house so that nobody can disturb you and you can give attention to my lecture. Ethnic Groups of Bangladesh, Lesson 1, The Chakma. Chakma is the main ethnic groups of Bangladesh. It is the largest ethnic group of Bangladesh. They live in Chottogram's hill tracts area of Bangladesh. Besides Chakma, we have many more ethnic groups. In your book, there is mentioned there are more than 45 ethnic groups live in Bangladesh. These ethnic groups make our society diverse. Diverse means beautiful. In this lesson, we try to know many characteristics about Chakma, like about their lifestyle, about their clothes, about their festivals. Okay, Chakma. They are our largest ethnic groups. Most of them live in Rangamati and region. The religion of the Chakma are Buddhist. Lifestyle. Student, lifestyle is the combination of many characteristics about language, about music and dance, about social system, housing system, food habit, cultivation system. This is the characteristics that belong to lifestyle. The Chakma have their own language and alphabet, so they can study using their alphabet. They have their own music and dance. They enjoy recreation by performing their own dance and music. In Chakma society, they have a king. The king ruled the Chakma society. Even Chakma village, they have a village chief which is called Karbari. The Chakmas made their house using wood and bamboo. Because in Chattogram hill tracts area, we have tropical evergreen deciduous forest. So in that forest, wood and bamboo are available. That's why they make their house taking their local materials. They make house on platform. The agriculture system is different in hilly area. So Chakma followed Zoom method in cultivating their crops. Zoom method is a system when at first previous crops are burnt and the ash are put into holes for sowing new seeds and planting new seeds in the holes. This is the system of Jhum cultivation. Chakma's staple food is rice. So student, from lifestyle, broad question can come. Question is, explain about the lifestyle of Chakma. There are more than one short questions. Question is, what is called Karbari? What is called Jhum cultivation? You will find answer from the lifestyle essays. Now, explanation about cloths. Chakma wave pattern fabric on loom means Chakma can make their own cloth. It is called handloom. Its another name is Tat. The women wear floor length skirts. It's called pinon, and tops. It's called hadi. It is the local language of Chakma. The boys wear fotua and lungi. Now, Chakma side by side use modern dress that are make in our garments industry. Festival. Every tribal people have their own specific festival. By this festival, we can identify them. The Chakma celebrate the main Buddhist festival. Okay, so Gautam Buddha is the founder of Buddhist religion. So they celebrate Gautam Buddha's birth, death, anniversary. Particularly, Buddha Purnima is celebrated in the month of Boishak. Biju is the greatest festival of Chakma. It is celebrated 3 days. First day of the new year and last 2 days of the previous year. So during festival, Chakma decorate their houses with flowers and families meet the blessing. Even the family exchange greeting with each other. This is the explanation of lesson 1 about the Chakma. Student, here is from the festival. 2 types of short question can create. What is the religion of Chakma and what is Biju? Biju is the best festival of the Chakma, and religion of Chakma is Buddhist, so they celebrate Buddhist festival in their day-to-day life. Student, look at the page number 11. In Speak, there is mentions many tribal people picture: Chakma, Manipuri, Marma and Shautal. And in Be Right, there is mentioned 3 characteristics: lifestyle, clothes, festivals. Lifestyle include own language, alphabet and music, rule by king and village chief. So if I create question, explain about the lifestyle of Chakma, you have to mention this characteristics and explain it. Student, D check. Here is an MCQ question. So correct. In your book, which part of Bangladesh do Chakma live in? It will be answered southeast. Southeast, option D is right. Student, go to next page. Lesson 2, page number 12. This page indicating about the Marma ethnic groups. Marma are the second largest ethnic groups in Bangladesh after the Chakma. So on the base of population, Chakma is the first, Marma is the second. Most of the Marma live in same places like Bandarbon, Khagrachori and Rangamati region. In this area, Chakma tribal people side by side Marma tribal people live in. Lifestyle. The Chakma society are also ruled by a king and village chief. These two leaders lead the Chakma society. Their houses are built up on high platforms, raw materials, wood and bamboo. Marma like to eat rice and boil vegetables, and also they are fond of dried fish, which in their local language it is called napi. They also grow plants by Zoom method. Zoom method is a different cultivation system because it's conducted in hilly area. Normal cultivation is not possible in hilly area. So at first they cut the hills and make layer and unnecessary plant burnt, and then the ash turned into fertilizer, and they provide the ash into holes and sow seeds. In this way, cultivation system is procedure. This total explanation is called Zoom method. Like the Chakma, the Marma ethnic people conduct some economic activities in order to lead their life. So they catch fish, they weave fabric. By selling this, they earn their livelihood. During illness, they used to gather herbs for medical treatment. Now they use modern medicines. Okay, it is available in local medicine shops. Clothes. Traditionally, Marma men always wore thami and women wore angi. Today, they often wear modern dress as well. Modern dress are made in garments industry. Festivals. The Marma people celebrate all the Buddhist festivals. So religion of Chakma and Marma are same. Marma, each month they celebrate the full moon. In their local language, it is called Labre festival. Labre means full moon. They also celebrate festival Sangrein on the second day of Boishak. They enjoy water sports on this special day. So student, from lesson 2, broad question. What do you know about the lifestyle of Chakma? Or mention about the lifestyle of Marma. What do you know about the lifestyle of Marma? Or mention the lifestyle of Marma. So in order to explain lifestyle, you have to mention many characteristics like king, village chief, housing system, food habit, some economic work, even about the treatment. This is belong to lifestyle of Marma. Student, so student give attention. Another multiple choice question that is mentioned, page number 13. D check, how many Labray festival do the Marma celebrate each year? Answer will be 12, because each month they celebrate one Labray festival. So in 12 months they celebrate 12 Labray festival. Student, go to third number lesson, page number 14. Ethnic groups. The Shautal. Shautal live in northwest of Bangladesh. The mentionable district: Dinajpur, Rajshahi, Nauga, Chapai-Nawabganj, Natur, Rangpur and Bogora district. A vast majority of Shautal people live in India, especially West Bengal and northern part of Bangladesh. Lifestyle. The Shautal have their own language, but it is orally practiced. It has no alphabet. Food habit: rice is the staple food of Shautal. Besides, they eat fish, meat, vegetable, and Nalita. Its another name, jute leaves, is their native dish. They like it very much. Now, farming is the main occupation of the Shautal tribal people. Besides, they also work in fishing, like they catch fish from the river and sell in the local market and earn money and lead the family. Tea gardens. Student, you know, most of the tea gardens of Bangladesh are located northeast and southeast part of Bangladesh. Northeast like Sylhet division, southeast Chattogram division. Recently, tea cultivation started in northwest of Bangladesh, especially in Panchgad and Dinajpur districts. That's why they work in tea garden of Dinajpur and Panchgad. They have cottage industries. What is cottage industries? The industries that are located in people's home and the goods are produced by the family members, and those goods also sold in market by the family members. No additional labor is needed to conduct the cottage industry. Cottage industry is the smallest industry of Bangladesh. In our country, more and more people are involved in this industry because cottage industry is called self sufficient industry. The person alone can conduct this business. Few money is essential to run this industry. Student, now explanation about clothes. Sautal women wear two outer garments. Above part dress they call panchi, it is their local language, and below part dress they call it parhat. Men used to wear dhoti, but now they wear lungi, vest and shirt. Now the festivals. Sautals love festivals. Not only Sautals, we can say Bangali love festivals. Our greatest festival is Boishakhi festival. This year we cannot celebrate this festival due to COVID-19 forced us to stay at house. So Sautals celebrate 5 festivals in the whole year. Its name: Sohrai festival, Maksim festival, Spring festival, Erkongshing festival and Hariyar Sim festival. In the month of Posh, Sohrai festival is celebrated during the harvesting of the main crops. Student, the main crops of Bangladesh name is paddy. It is harvested in the month of Posh. So after harvesting, they celebrate Sohrai festival. In the month of Magh, they celebrate Maksim festival, the festival of collecting hay from the forest, and for making house is called Maksim. Student, Sautal try to keep their house neat and clean. Another festival of Sautal, Spring festival. In the month of Falgun, they celebrate Spring festival. During the first day of spring, they celebrate this festival. Ashar, you know, it is the rainy season of Bangladesh. So Erkongshing festival they celebrate. From each family bring an hen, and that hen they offer to the gods and send the hen in the forest. This is the system in order to bring proper rainfall, in order to bring proper harvest, proper welfare that can bring in their day-to-day life. Bhadro, the festival name Hariyar Sim festival, giving an offering for the crops. Student, you know, Sautal tribal people are mainly Hindu follower. Recently, the lower class Sautal have migrated into Christian religion. So, Sautal people celebrate two religions, one Hindu religion and another Christian religion. So Hindu religious festival they follow, Christian religious festival they follow in their life. Student, go to page number 15. Here is mention a tick mark, MCQ part. Which of this is a Shawtal festival? Option B, Hariyar Sim festival. Student, you know Shangri festival is the festival of Marma. Biju, this is the greatest festival of Chakma. Lebre, it is also the festival of Marma. So Hariyar Sim festival is only celebrated by the Chakma, by the Shawtal. Hariyar Sim festival is celebrated by the Shawtal. So student, please check your homework from lesson 1. Explain about the lifestyle of Chakma. Question number 1. Explain about the lifestyle of Chakma. Broad question. Question number 2. Explain about the lifestyle of the Marma. Question number 2. Explain about the lifestyle of the Marma. To explain, you have to write one language: king, chief, house, food habit, agricultural system. Now write 4 short question. Question is, what is called Karbari? What is called Karbari? Question mark. Question number 2. What is called Pinon? What is called Pinon? Pinon. Question mark. What is called Biju? What is called Biju? Question mark. Question number 4. What is called Zoom cultivation? What is called Zoom cultivation? So student, if you fail to write the question, no tension. If you watch this video again, you can understand about the question that I have mentioned. Student, next week, if our school authority keep on the online based class, see you again. Remaining lesson and other remaining chapter will be discussed. So best wishes to you. Everybody remain safe at home. Allah Hafiz.